Hello everyone, welcome to Vietnam and welcome to K-HAIR Factory. My name is Cherry and I'm CEO of K-HAIR Company. It's my honor to master and organize one of the biggest hair factory in the world. Your trust and satisfactions is my biggest motivation in developing my hair company in the future. Thanks for accompanying with me in this journey. Thanks.
Hi there, I'm Charles, sales manager of K-HAIR Factory, one of the leading hair wholesale factory in Vietnam. As a sales manager, I've been working for K-HAIR for 5 years, and right now I'm in charge of 30 sellers of my company, and also all the orders will have to come through me, and I'm the one who's dealing directly with the factory. So if you guys want to have the best factory prices and the best deal for your hair, please contact Charles, sales manager. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Trixie, General Manager of K-HAIR Factory, the biggest hair factory in Vietnam. We are not only supply the high quality hair with the most reasonable price in Vietnam, but also give the best support for our customer, like branding or advertising. Become our customer is become our partner. So please contact me for best deal ever. Thanks.
Hello my friend, I am Lani, expert from K-HAIR Factory. With more than 20 years experience in hair, K-HAIR is sure to supply the best quality to all the customers in the world. If you are finding a supplier with high quality and a reasonable price, please contact my WhatsApp. Thank you.
Hi everyone, do you know which bundle of hairs is better quality? This one or this one? If you don't know, you can contact me at my WhatsApp number here. I'm Weft, a sales expert in K-HAIR Company. With my 5-year experience in hair business, I promise I will make you big vendors in the world.
Hi, I'm here with K-HAIR, the biggest hair factory in Vietnam. Also the trusted vendor to many big wholesalers and retailers in Europe, Africa, and Asia. So, if you're looking for a vendor, a mentor for your hair business, please contact right now. We are 24/7 team. Thank you.
Hello ladies and gentlemen, I'm Karen, hair expert in K-HAIR Factory Vietnam. I have more than 5 years of working experience in hair industry, and over the past 5 years, I have been trying to sell solutions, not just products. So contact Karen on WhatsApp and Instagram to get best business advice. Let your business opportunity be shared with me. Thank you.
Welcome to Wonderland of Hair. I'm Alice from K-HAIR Factory, which acquires a reputation for supplying only high quality hair, but with super affordable prices. So I believe that I could be the partner accompanying you on the way to conquer the hair business. So if you want to take the chance, it's up to you. And K-HAIR Factory, the hair of choice. Thanks.
Welcome to K-HAIR Factory. I'm Adrian, CMO, and please contact me for the best deal ever and investment in beauty. As our slogan, quality is king. You will never feel disappointed with the first touch of our hair. Thank you.
Hey guys, are you looking for good quality Vietnamese human hair factory at affordable price? I'm Hannah, sales manager from K-HAIR Factory. With more than 5 years experience, I hope I can help you succeed in hair business. Contact me now for the best wholesale price and discount. Thank you.
Hello there, I'm Jasmine, senior hair expert and business consultant from K-HAIR Factory. And I have more than 5 years experience in the hair industry and the hair business. Currently, we're at K-HAIR Vietnam to provide high quality hair for the people all over the world. So please contact me if you want to have the best tips for your hair business and the best deal ever. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Trini. I'm hair expert and sales manager from K-HAIR. I have experience in consulting and selling the hair to many clients all over the world, more than 5 years. Contact my WhatsApp number, and I'm sure that we will deal in good business. Thank you.
Hello, I'm not perfect, but I always try to be perfect to support you with my best. Are you finding the quality hair on reasonable price? If you want both of them, please contact me. I'm Anna, hair expert from K-HAIR, the biggest factory in Vietnam. Thank you.